In this video, I will be taking a look at the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. Great for those that are on a budget. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I have the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. This is the white version. It also comes in black. You can pick this up for $50 online. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look. The microphone comes with a tripod and a USB cable. The microphone is plastic all around, and the grill is metal. You can see the port on the back here for the USB cable. It also comes with a tripod which is made of plastic. It's a bit flimsy, so you have to be careful when you're installing it. You don't want to strip the threads. Just a few quick turns and that should lock it in place. The bottom of the microphone has a ball joint so it can tilt slightly forwards or backwards. And here is a USB cable which just plugs right in the back. This particular model has the cardioid feature, which picks up audio only from the front. There is another model, the Snowball, which has the omnidirectional feature, and it can pick up the audio from the back. If you are using it as a single user, then you should have no issues with picking up audio. This is just a simple audio test. Now you're hearing the audio from the onboard microphone on the camera. I'm about 8 inches away. Again, this is the onboard microphone on the DSLR camera. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now I'm using the Snowball Ice microphone. This is the audio from the microphone. That's what you've been hearing all along throughout the video. Now you can compare the difference from the camera microphone and this. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. There you have it. Just wanted to provide a quick overview of this microphone. Hopefully you were able to hear the difference. The Snowball microphone definitely gave it a more rich, enhanced sound compared to the camera microphone. Overall, it's a good mic if you are on a budget. It will definitely do the job. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.